How to deadlift, dumbbell, barbell, kettlebell. The most important things to consider are: which kind of equipment do you have? Dumbbells are still more versatile than kettlebells. Do you want to become superhuman strong or healthy strong? Do you want to show off on Instagram, lifting heavy weights, barbell or cable, or be fit and healthy, and tone your body? To be fit, healthy strong, even light weights can provide very good benefits. Heavy weights can be good but are never necessary for optimal health. Deadlift, how to, the proper way. Most people make the mistake of gripping the bar in the middle of their palms. Gravity pulls the bar down when you deadlift. The bar will slide down your palm and fold the skin under it. It will then put pressure on those skin folds. This causes hand pain and big callus that tear more easily. This low hand grip is not weaker. You have the same amount of thumbs and fingers around the bar. It's more secure because you're not trapping skin and calluses that makes you relax your grip mid-set. If it feels weak or weird, it's because you're not used to it. Stick with it to get used to it. All exercises can hurt your back if you use bad form. The most dangerous mistake on the deadlift is to pull with a bent lower back. This puts uneven pressure on your spinal discs, and can cause bulged discs, pinched nerves and other back injuries. Don't deadlift heavy with a rounded lower back. The safest way to deadlift is with your spine neutral. Set up with the normal inward curve in your lower back. Maintain this position while you pull the weight off the floor to the lockout. The pressure on your spinal discs will be even. This decreases the chance of injuring your lower back. Many people have improved their bad back with deadlifts. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. How to deadlift. Many people will naturally grip a deadlift barbell using an overhand grip, with both palms facing toward their body. An overhand grip helps build forearm and grip strength, since you must keep the bar from rotating as you lift. This type of grip is recommended for warm-ups and lighter sets. Here's how to deadlift with proper form. Stand with your midfoot under the barbell. Bend over and grab the bar with a shoulder-width grip. Bend your knees until your shins touch the bar. Lift your chest up and straighten your lower back. Take a big breath, hold it, and stand up with the weight. You don't keep the weight in the air between reps. You put it on the floor. Give your back a break between reps by putting the weight back on the floor. Then use that break to set up strong for your next rep. Wide stance deadlifts. Wide stance versus single leg deadlifts. Wide stance deadlifts are better for the very low back. Wide stance deadlifts stretch the inner thighs more. Single leg deadlifts stretch the hamstrings more. Single leg deadlifts work the hamstrings more. Romanian deadlift form. The Romanian deadlift has three key features. The hips travel backwards. The bar travels in a straight line, almost perfectly. The weight is on the heels of the feet. The Romanian deadlift correct form. The knees bend at least 30 degrees to allow optimal contraction of the gluteals. Ideally, we should maintain excellent postural alignment throughout our spine. Normal deadlifts versus Romanian deadlifts. Normal deadlifts are a better thigh exercise. Romanian deadlifts are a better glutes, butt and hips exercise. The deadlift is more for the back than the legs compared to squats. But every muscle works when you deadlift heavy. That's why deadlifts are a full body, compound exercise. They work several muscles at the same time. Here are the main muscles deadlifts work. Legs. Your hamstrings and glutes straighten your hips, your quads straighten your knees, your calves straighten your ankles. The range of motion is smaller than on squats since you start in a half squat position, but the weight is heavier and starts from a harder dead stop. Back. Your back muscles contract to keep your spine neutral while gravity tries to bend it. Your lats keep the weight close to your body so it doesn't drift away. Deadlifts are the best back builder, because they work your whole back with heavier weights than any other exercise. Traps. Your trapezius muscles contract to keep your shoulders in place and transfer force to the bar. Even your shoulders and chest muscles contract to add support. The heavier you deadlift, the harder your traps work, the bigger they become. You don't need to do shrugs. ABS. Your abdominal muscles and obliques contract to support your lower back, the heavier your deadlifts. The stronger and more muscular they become. Eat right and they'll show. Arms. Your hands hold the bar tight, this strengthens your grip and forearms, but everything upstream tightens as well during heavy deadlifts, including your biceps and triceps. The deadlift is the best exercise for your back. Add barbell rows and maybe pull-ups, and you don't need more to build a V-shaped back. Go heavy and you can build a great physique, doing just 2 to 3 exercises per workout. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.